Tayo nang kilalanin ang official New Look Complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots para sa PBA 50th Philippine Cup. Point guards: Mark Baroka, veteran star, 5'10", 170 pounds, 39 years old, 9.6 points, 3.5 rebounds, 5.8 assists, 1.5 steals, 22% 3-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. L.A. Tenorio, new playing coach, 5'9", 152 pounds, 41 years old, 3.8 points, 0.8 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.5 steals, 60% 3-point shooter, 8 minutes per game in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup playoffs averages. Jerome Lastimosa, rising star, 5'11", 165 pounds, 27 years old, 9.9 points, 3.2 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.7 steals, 0.1 block, 15% 3-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Gab Gomez, rookie, PBA 30th draft pick, 5'11", 175 pounds, 25 years old, 5.8 points, 2.6 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.7 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 79% free throw shooter in his 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. Shooting guards: Paulo Taha, new player via free agent signing, 6 feet, 180 pounds, 34 years old, 2.7 points, 0.9 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 0.1 steal, 40% 3-point shooter, 40% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Paul Lee, veteran star, 6 feet, 200 pounds, 36 years old, 11.4 points, 2.1 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 46% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Peter Alfaro, sophomore, 5'11", 186 pounds, 25 years old, 5 points, 1.2 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.5 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards: Javi Gomez Deliano, new player via trade, 6'3", 193 pounds, 27 years old, 8.5 points, 2.9 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 0.7 steals, 41% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages. Xavier Lucero, star player, 6'6", 205 pounds, 25 years old, 18.2 points, 7.8 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 0.9 steals, 1.5 blocks, 41% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Rome De La Rosa, 6'3", 185 pounds, 34 years old, 6.8 points, 3.2 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.6 steals, 30% 3-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Rafael Verano, trying out for a roster spot, 6'3", 200 pounds, 28 years old, 4.2 points, 40% 3-point shooter, 88% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards: Joseph Erobu, 6'4", 198 pounds, 33 years old, 2.6 points, 1.4 rebounds, 25% 3-point shooter, 33% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Aris Dionisio, 6'4", 195 pounds, 30 years old, 4.2 points, 4.1 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.4 blocks, 24% 3-point shooter, 82% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Russell Escoto, 6'6", 200 pounds, 32 years old, 3.6 points, 1.8 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 0.1 steal, 37% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Centers: Yukian Andrada, rookie, PBA 6th draft pick, 6'6", 210 pounds, 24 years old, 12.3 points, 5.7 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 0.5 steals, 0.5 blocks, 55 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his NCAA 100 season averages. Ian Sangalang, star player, 6'7", 212 pounds, 33 years old, 13.6 points, 6.4 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.3 blocks, 58 field goal percentage, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. James Laput, 6'10", 245 pounds, 29 years old, 4.3 points, 2.7 rebounds, 0.2 assists, 0.1 steal, 60 field goal percentage, 83% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa source na to, ay isa nga daw ang Magnolia Hotshots sa mga gustong makakuha kay Greg Zilla kung ito'y babalik sa PBA ngayong PBA 50th season. Greg Slaughter, pending, sign and trade option, 7 feet, 258 pounds, 37 years old, 15.7 points, 9.8 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1.1 blocks, 67 field goal percentage, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots para sa PBA 50th Philippine Cup. Sa tingin nyo mga kababos, makukuha kaya ng Magnolia itong si Greg Zilla ngayong conference? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.